Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to my channel Study Law with Bushra. Today we are going to discuss the most important chapter of PPC, which is about general explanations. So moving towards the most important section of this chapter, which is movable property. First we will discuss what does the word movable property means. So the word movable means which is transferable and which is the subject of moving, which means the thing which can be moved. And the word property means anything which has value and which is owned by someone, or the thing which can be converted into currency, which can be converted into valuable thing, which has some value. So this section includes two main essentials. Number one is corporeal, and the number two, the land and the things attached to earth. What does the word corporeal mean? Corporeal means anything which is tangible, which can be touched, which has some physical appearance, which can be visualized. सो वो तमाम चीज़ जिसको हम टच कर सकते हैं, जिसको हम देख सकते हैं, जिसकी कोई फिजिकल अपीयरेंस है, जिसको हम छू सकते हैं, वो तमाम चीज़ हमारे पास आती हैं कॉर्पोरियल थिंग्स में. एंड सेकंड है लैंड एंड द थिंग्स अटैच टू अर्थ. अब यहाँ से हम देखें तो लैंड और वो चीज़ जो अर्थ से अटैच है वो इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी है. लेकिन यही तमाम चीज़ें जब हम अर्थ से डिटैच कर लेते हैं, जब इन चीज़ों को रिमूव कर देते हैं, तो दे बिकम द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, immovable property can be converted into movable property. Your interest, your trust, your right, your reputation, your land, even though oxygen and water bottle, when signed and sealed by someone, it becomes the property of that very person. So all these things are property. And here is the most important essential of this section, which is description. What does the word description mean? Which is not corporeal, which can't be touched, but still it has some value. It can be converted into currency. For example, your right of freedom of movement is your right, although it can't be touched, but still it has value and it can't be taken away from you. So friends, this is all about section 22, movable property of PPC. If you have liked the video, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon with another amazing video.